Today I want to do a review on these Temu reels I bought. The maker's NGK. You get them in the 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 12,000 and 14,000 size. I've got the 10,000. They're quite big for 10,000. Well, I think it's the first 10,000 I own, so not that I will really know, but they do feel quite heavy. Very, very sturdy reels. Quite big. I thought about buying the 12,000. I'm glad I didn't. I think the 12,000 and 14,000 is going to be way too big. With 12-pound line, I put on, they say 580 meters. I suspect I've got on more than that. Of this nylon line, I also bought this through Temu. It's a 12-pound. I think it was around about 180 Rand for this, for 2 spools, if I'm not mistaken. Just have to check. Yeah, so that's 12 pounds nylon line. Very strong line. I don't have a leader on. I've casted it just like that. You can reach probably, I've done around about 100 meters casts. Just like that, no leader line. So if you want to go further, you can try it. Otherwise, just put a leader line. But I'm very impressed with the line. But the reels itself, it's a 6+1 ball bearing with a 4:8:1 ratio. The body is metal. The body is metal. The spool is metal. Quite heavy, like I say. It does feel like very good quality. What I don't like is the rotor line stopper plate, just behind your spool. And then as well as this handle cap. They are plastic. I've seen people complain about that rotor line stopper plate broken inside. Mine both came no problems. What I don't like about the handle cap being plastic is it feels like it could strip if you tighten it too much. I've had other reels that I bought that would strip there. So I think it's just a common problem, unless you do get reels that's got like a metal one that's quite sturdy. So I do feel, if you're going to tighten that thing too much, it might just break. So I just tighten it until I feel it is a bit snug. I don't try to over tighten that, and then it's fine. I did use it once now. The line retrieval is so smooth. It is so nice. I can feel a massive difference, very big difference between the reels I used to have or I used to use and compared to these ones. Now these ones I checked now. If you buy 2 of them, it is just under 1,800 Rands. Now, I don't know where you're going to buy 2 reels of this quality for that price in South Africa. So if you know of something, you can let us know. Let us know in the comment section. But I don't think there's any reels in this country that you're going to get that is of this quality for that price. It's ridiculously cheap. They are beautiful. I do love the look of them. Obviously, the handles can change from left to right side also. It's not a bait runner. It doesn't bother me at all that it's not a bait runner. You loosen the drag in front anyway when I fish. So I don't catch tight line where I clip in. I seldom clip in. So that's why it doesn't bother me to have bait runners or that it's not bait runner. The handle also, because the handle are so big, you retrieve the line quite fast. It's nice, it's sturdy. Everything feels so like quality, must say. Let me show you guys. So now this bail arm, you can just, it clips in so nicely. Nice strong spring when it comes back. Really nice. Loosening the drag, tightening the drag. It's really nice. A decent sound that it makes if you're going to get a line pull. It's not really loud, but I've got reels that's much softer than that. There we go. Sorry, let me just show nicely. You can get an idea of the amount of yards you can put on 4:1 ratio. It's got the reverse. Everything just sounds so solid, like it goes into reverse and yeah. Really nice. You can see how it spools the line up. Yeah, everything about these reels are so nice. Feels heavy, but not so heavy on your rod that it's like uncomfortable to fish with. There we go. See the arm. Yeah, so really nice reels to use. I would recommend them. Only use them once, like I said. The little plastics and stuff that's on the back, around there. I mean, that's common. You'll have plastic on most reels there. But yeah, like I say, the body, the spool, everything is metal. You can feel it in the weight. You can feel it when you handle it, that it's quality reels. So yeah, I'll recommend them. Cheap as can be. Bargain buy, I will say. Definitely a bargain buy. So check them out on Temu. NGK is the name. You do get different companies I see that do sell them. Yeah, so for me, I think of the reels that I could buy, they had a high recommendation rate, high stars rating. So yeah, you can give it a try and let us know.